Is it enough to eat healthy diet to stay healthy? Your pre-meal and post-meal conditioning can have a huge impact on your body. Most of the people eat nourishing food after eating. Some have a habit of drinking lots of water or heading straight to bed. These habits can do further damage than good as it disrupts the digestion. There are certain effects we should mindfully avoid immediately after meals. First, stop consuming fruits. Yes, fruits are surely nutritional, but they shouldn't be consumed immediately after food. Fruits get digested very briskly very fast. So if you eat them after meals they ferment, and also they cause lots of gases. In addition, the advanced sugar level can make the digestion delicate. Rather, eat fruits as a snack in between 2 meals during day. Rather, fruits should be taken 2 hours before or after your meals. Alternate point: stay down from tea. Indigestion can be caused by drinking tea instantly after meals. Here we're talking about regular milk tea chai. Tea leaves have a high acidity level. However, also, if your mess has some protein, these acids will harden the protein, and so it would be tough to digest. You can have a mug of tea after an hour or rather 2 hours. Third point: don't gulp water. Numerous people gulp down lots of water directly after meals, or they go on drinking water while eating food too. It's very clear that when you drink water along with your food, all the digestive authorities, which are there in our stomach, even hydrochloric acid, they get adulterated. These acids and fluids are very important for the digestion because they fracture down the food patches and convert them into energy. Hence, drink water half an hour before, or 1.25 hours to 2 hours after your food. Still, if you have to take some water immediately after meal, say somebody has to take medicine or just to wash the mouth, then immediately after meal you should take only warm water. Fourth point: don't hurry to take a bath. Digestion requires transfer of energy and blood inflow to the stomach. Bathing right after eating lowers the body temperature and slows down the digestion process. This occurs because the blood is diverted towards the layer of the skin, which is experiencing the cold water impact. To avoid indigestion, bath before meal or take bath 1 hour after your refections. Fifth point: hold back your sleep. Sleeping incontinently after your meal or just sitting immediately after your mess will decelerate down your digestive process, and this will bring bloating, discomfort, and feeling of wholeness when you wake up from your sleep. Rather, stay for at least 2 hours after you have your dinner instantly. Indeed, after your lunch, you should be hiking at least 100 steps around. At least sit for some time, lie down, have a nap, but do not sleep during day. However, after food, when you'll lie down for afternoon little nap, you should lie down on the left side so that your right functions more, and it helps to enhance your digestion. The structure of our body is similar, that our stomach is on the left side. Gravity force inhibits the digestive fluid from going up and out of the system, especially when we sleep on the left side. The fluid helps digestion, reducing the threat of heartburns. It also facilitates the movement of dietary waste from the large intestine towards the descending colon. So if you want to gain the benefit of the healthy message, put an end to the wrong habits right down. Rather, you can take on certain healthy practices that won't just help in a better digestion, but also keep your mind healthy. These practices are: first, wear some comfortable clothes so that your tummy isn't so tight. Tight abdomen will always bring acid reflux in case you have an outside. Also, when you come back directly, wear some loose clothes and help your body to digest better. And also, this comfortable apparel will ensure your good night's sleep. Alternate point: after your lunch, sit in Virasana or any meditative pose. In case you have to sit on the chair, bring your legs over, keep your spine straight, and sit for some time. These posture will really help digestion. Try sitting in Virasana or Sukhasana, or bringing your legs up on the chair, and then eating your food. This would help you from overeating too. Third point: after a meal, practice is Nispanda Bhava. To calm your mind, sit in a comfortable position, Close your eyes, listen to the sound which are there in the atmosphere. Just be in a hearing state, and see that no thoughts come to your mind. Sit calmly, after taking the little relaxed walk and laterally sitting in Nibbana Bhavar, then lie down in Shavasana for some time, and that would be amazing. During day, this conscious relaxation method will soothe your mind, and really help in very sound digestion, immersion, assimilation, and good measure of energy. Most importantly is that be aware while eating, avoid use of mobile phone or watching television while eating, chew your food fully and eat in stillness. Studies have shown that we tend to eat in excess while watching television, as we haven't been paying attention to how much we're eating. Eating too much will ultimately lead to obesity. When eating food and watching TV, the brain is distracted and sends out the wrong signals to the body, and doesn't reprocess the taste or satisfaction of the palate. Watching television while eating lowers the metabolic rate, leading to the food being digested slower, and the fat being burned slowly. Last, eating when not starving. While setting a fixed time for meals is a good practice, eating when you don't feel those hunger stings means you aren't paying attention to your brain signals. When you have your food without feeling empty, this means that your brain has not entered any signals from your stomach to release any digestive juice, and you may face digestive issues. So at last, eat healthy, choose when and what to eat, and avoid overeating.